Well, welcome back, my friends, to another rousing rendition of Choir Boys Cutlery. Hey, 22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. Vets, I love you. You have a place here. We're back to blue over here at Sport Leo. How do you do that, Scab? Well, we don't break the damn law. And finally, if you are an addict, never quit quitting. So, this is going to be a very, very fast one today, or fast for me. I want to show you what I carry for an emergency fire kit. Now, I carry a ferro rod in my backpack, and for most of our adventures, all of the fat wood fires, I use a ferro rod. But I thought, hey, what if I really get in a situation here? So I got a big lighter, I got some duct tape wrapped around it, I put it in an oversized balloon. Now, the natural concern is, will it depress the button? I make sure I get a loose fitting balloon, tie a knot in it to where there's no pressing. I carry it in a loose pocket. I have not. I've carried this for about a month and a half before I've ever said anything about it. I've had no problems with it thus far. But I got to thinking the other day, if I had to make a fire with it, I've never lit duct tape on fire. Seriously. So let's see how long it lasts. Now, I understand if I'm doing this in an emergency situation, and the balloon, guys, is to keep everything dry. Now, the other thing I carry is a piece of lighter knot, fat wood, whatever you want to call it. I keep that when we go kayaking, hiking, whatever. I've got a piece of lighter knot, usually in a cargo pocket with this lighter and balloon, because even a lighter knot can get wet and it's still going to fire up. So I understand that with both of these things, like with the duct tape, I would make a bird's nest. I would put my duct tape in the center of the bird's nest, probably wind it up. If that's not correct, somebody let me know and light it up. The purpose of my videos, guys, is not to show you, hey, y'all should do this, and you're going to see why here in a minute. But it's to say, hey, look, I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm moving forward. Each Friday, we're going to do some kind of bushcrafty thing. Now, I didn't have a ton of time today. My plan for next week is to build a fire lay and to start a fire from the ground up. Not only start the fire, but maintain it and get a good sized fire going. Now, again, I understand that the duct tape would go, probably in a bird's nest or into some kind of a tinder or something like that. I just really wanted to see kind of how it burned. Here's the deal, guys. I made the comment a couple weeks ago about, when Megatron and I went hiking about, making a fire out in the woods and doing it, and you can't always do it at home. The truth is, the best practice you can get is at home. That's just the truth, and you should practice. I try to learn something every single day. Now, right here, I got the lighter knot lit, and there's a couple different ways you can use a lighter knot to start a fire, but I carry both of these. This is in my pocket at all times. It's lightweight. You don't know it's there. Like I said, that's just I just wanted to show you real quick. You see, once the lighter knot gets lit, and most of you guys know this, again, this is coming from a novice point of view. My goal is to do this. We'll probably have and every Friday do a bushcrafty thing going into April, when I'm going to try to get to Blackie Thomas's gathering and put everything that I'm learning to the test. Guys, any tips, any comments, any side notes, please share with me. I'd really appreciate it. Now, I was using the Half-Breed Blades folder today. We'll have a review out on that probably Sunday. Tomorrow, 3:30 Eastern Time. I've been saying it wrong the whole damn time. 3:30 Eastern Time, Saturday the 15th. JB, Big Red EDC, Jared from Neves Knives, and we got another special appearance coming, is going to join us on Blade Talk with Scab and Joe. Go over, subscribe now, and join us tomorrow at 3:30. We're going to have an awesome time, awesome topic. My guy Mikey says it best. Everything's going to be all right. I'm Scab. You're not. And I'm gone, son.